The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Monday, and the Gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 9, verses 18 to 26. The Gospel narrates to us the twin miracles. The first one, the healing of the daughter of the synagogue official. The second one is all about the woman suffering from hemorrhages for the last 12 years. And both of them were healed by our Lord. In the first one, Jesus went to the home of the synagogue's official and touched the daughter who was presumed dead. In the second one, it was the woman who touched the fringe of the cloak of Jesus. From these stories, we can say that Jesus is indeed the God who will restore us to life. Jesus has the power over death, whether that is physical death in the case of the daughter of the synagogue official, or that is a societal death due to their restrictions and laws in case of the second woman suffering from hemorrhages. In either way, whether we are touched by the Lord or we touch the Lord, what is important here is that there is some kind of connection, that when we are connected to the Lord, when God initiated the connection on us, there is something that will greatly happen in our life. And if we freely and come to Jesus and touch Him, we will definitely also experience miracles in our life. My dear friends, if you want to experience miracle in your life, and if you want to make your life fully alive, then be touched by the Lord and touch Jesus, so that a special connection will bring us to a beautiful miracle of making our life fully alive. God bless.